Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be covering on a key concept in our recent PSLE papers, and it's on the concept of overlapping perimeters. Covering these questions as they are one of the main questions that people discuss after PSLE. If you look at this figure over here, okay, this is our paper 2, section C, question 17. Okay, figure 1 shows a trapezium which has a perimeter of 96 cm. Jia joins 3 of these trapeziums together to form figure 2, which gives us a perimeter of 204. But if we have taken 96 cm and we multiply by 3, we should have gotten 288 cm. But why is it only 204? And it's because of overlapping perimeters. The overlapping section would be over here and over here. And take note, one side that's overlapping is touching to the other side as well. Left is touching the right. This means that these two sides are overlapping with one another, but they were still part of the original trapeziums. Hence, there are actually 4 lines that went missing because they are no longer part of the perimeter. So what do? We can take 288 and we minus away 204 cm, giving us 84 cm. This 84 cm represents the 4 lines that we're no longer counting, and these 4 lines happen to be the same as your PQ. And that's the reason why from this case, we take 84 divided by 4 gives us 21 centimeters. What about how to use these lines in part B? So where is this line PQ in? We have 21 centimeters over here. So Jia joins another 4 of such trapeziums to form the figure 3, which has an area of 1932. They're asking for the length of RS. RS over here, and RS also happens to be represented by this line. So in actual fact, I'm going to be focused on using the entire rectangle that you see over here for us to solve. So instead of using all 4 trapeziums, I'm only going to be focusing on 2. They'll find the area of these 2 trapeziums first. 1932 cm squared divided by 2 gives us 966 cm squared. Now this 966 cm squared is the area of the rectangle. So if I want to find the length of the rectangle, specifically on the right hand side of it, it gives us 46. By taking 966 divided by 21, giving us 46 centimeters. How is this 46 centimeters important? Because if we look at this 46 cm, it comprises of 3 lines. The line at the top, the same length as RS. We have your 12 centimeters, and we also have 1 line at the bottom. Do any of you remember what this line is? It happens to be the same as your PQ. So in this case, we know that the bottom section here, this is a total of 21 cm. We know this is 12. We know the whole thing is 46. The last thing we have to do here, 46 minus 12 minus 21, we get 13 centimeters.